Do you have a computer problem or simply need a little help setting something up on your computer? We can help. Once signed up for remote assistance, we will be sending an email with confirmation and instructions to download and install a small program on your system. Simply send us the ID number and password. We will then connect to your computer via the internet cable or DSL. You will see every move we make. If you see us going somewhere you feel we should not, simply press the escape key on your keyboard. This is so much more secure than taking your computer into a shop and dropping it off. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. The wizard